Let's put in some user control using if statements. So we know that this function is running constantly. We can put in some if statement here to catch the input of a user. So how do we do that? We start with an if statement and we want to check the input. So input dot get key down, and we're going to open the bracket and we're going to say, for the start, we'll just say space. Close the bracket of the if and then open the parentheses, and we're going to do something in here. I just put a comment there just to show the space there. We want to, let's instantiate this brick. So we know this happens straight away, but we want to start, we want nothing to happen, and we want this to happen only if we push the space bar. So where would we need to put that line? We need to put it, I'm going to cut it, Command X, I'm going to put it in here, Command V, and now instead on start, nothing's going to happen. And down here in the update function, the instantiate is only going to happen when it detects the spacebar has been pushed. Let's check that. Command S, play. We're in play mode at the moment, nothing's happened. I'm just going to click down in the play game mode here and I'm going to push space. There you go, space, space, space. You can see in the hierarchy every time I hit space, another clone of the brick is put down. But you can't see it because we're putting it on top of each other in the exact same coordinates. We can play with that actually and make the brick have some physics, the prefab. So let's click on this is one of the reasons why we made a prefab and did it with code this way, because we can now change the properties of this brick quite easily. So we're going to add some physics, under physics, a rigid body. Now this brick should sort of move with the physics of the world. Spacebar, there you go, another one. So they hit each other and they move around with the laws of the physics of this imaginary map and world in here. So it's quite easy using an if statement.